Snails and slugs are out in full force this time of year. Start now to keep numbers under control and ensure a healthy garden. First, remove their hiding places. Cut back excess foliage where snails and slugs like to hide. Remove piles of debris or check hiding places you can't remove and make sure they're snail and slug free. Water correctly. This means watering early in the morning so plants have time to dry out during the day. Also, use drip irrigation to keep water off of plants' leaves and decrease levels of humidity. Hand pick snails and slugs. Go out early in the morning and remove any you see in your garden. Place them in a bucket of soapy water or bag them and toss them in the trash. Set traps. One easy trap uses beer in a steep-sided can. Dig the can into the soil until the lip is level with the ground. Add beer to the top of the can. Snails and slugs will be attracted to the yeasty aroma, but be unable to escape the can. Remove dead pests each day. Select snail and slug-resistant plants. Look for plants with scented foliage like yarrow and rosemary that act as a deterrent. Or choose from a wide variety of woody ornamentals that aren't attractive to snails and slugs and aren't susceptible to their damage. Use bait as a last resort, being sure to carefully read manufacturers' labels. Avoid products that contain metaldehyde, which is toxic to children, pets, and wildlife. Instead, look for brands that rely on iron phosphate, a safer alternative. As always, follow directions carefully.